Dear learners, good morning to everyone. Thank you very much for joining us in our platform Moodle at l'Université University of Blida in Algeria. Today we're going to present our 11th lecture titled What is an exchange rate? So I have divided my 11th lecture into the following elements as follows. What is an exchange rate? What are the main types of measuring exchange rates? Language activities including building vocabulary and assessment, including quizzes, tests, and exams. So, what is an exchange rate? An exchange rate is a rate at which one currency will be exchanged for another currency and affects trade and the movement of money between countries. What are the main types of measuring exchange rates? There are many ways to measure an exchange rate. The most common way is to measure a bilateral exchange rate. There are three main types: bilateral exchange rate, cross rates, trade-weighted index. Third element, language activities. The word exchange as a noun, countable and uncountable noun, means giving and receiving an act of giving something to somebody or doing something for somebody and receiving something in return. For examples, we need to promote an open exchange of ideas and information. There were exchanges of goods between the two regions. Finally, please learners, don't forget to take a look at your different types of assessment, including quizzes, tests, exams. Thank you for your attention. See you next time.